How to replace the battery on a 2021 RAV4 key fob. First things first, you're going to remove the key, the manual key, by pressing this little tab here out, and the key will just come out, just like that. Then you're going to get a pocket screwdriver or something flat, and you're going to go in between those two little grooves and spread it open. You're going to see the key inside of it. It takes a 2032 key. What you have to do is remove the key with your pocket screwdriver, pushing up on it. Now, this side is going to go down, and the positive side is going to go up. So when you get your new battery, just feed it in towards the bottom tabs first, underneath those, and press in, and then down. And then you get the other half of your remote. You press it in, and you press it to confirm it works. You see that little red button there. That means that everything's working. You install the key back in, and you're done.